It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's Sprinkles Girl. Sprinkles Girl delivers sprinkles to anyone faster than a speeding bullet. Her super hearing ears help her to know when somebody needs sprinkles. This ice cream sundae looks delicious. Wait a minute, it's missing something. Sprinkles! Oh, where's Sprinkles Girl when I need her? Ooh, I think I hear someone. They need help. They need sprinkles. Sprinkle Girl here to the rescue. Oh, I sure hope I make it there on time. I'm Sprinkles Girl, here to the rescue. Oh wow, you really were in bad need of sprinkles. You can't have an ice cream sundae without sprinkles on top. Whoa, did I just knock you over? Sorry. Okay, let me try this again. Sprinkle power! Okay, shake left to right, left to right. Whoops, I knocked you over again. Okay, shake, 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 shake. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Okay, there you go. I saved the day again. I'm sorry to say this, Sprinkles Girl, but look at my sundae again. There's not even one sprinkle on it. Look, you're a terrible shot. They all landed on the ground and now no one can eat them. I guess I better be going then. Is there kryptonite around here? Look, I just dropped my sprinkles too. Just look at this mess. I even spilled some of my special tasty sprinkles on the ground. Oh, I'm just so sad. I know what will make me feel better. Supergirl needs some sprinkles. I'll just lay here and eat my problems away. Ow, those sprinkles hurt. I can't even aim the sprinkles into my own mouth. I guess I'll try it again. Oh, I feel so bad for Sprinkles Girl, but I have an idea to cheer her up. So let me go find her. Sprinkles. I just need to eat more sprinkles to be happy. Sprinkles Girl, what's all over your face? Are those sprinkles? Sprinkles Girl, you know that sprinkles won't solve your problems. Come on. Oh, I'm sorry. It's just a bad day for Sprinkles Girl. No, it's not. Just wipe those sprinkles off your face and you can come help me. Look, Sprinkles Girl, I'll be right back. Look what I just made. I made a cake, but you can't eat a cake without some sprinkles on it. Sprinkles Girl, can you help me? Oh, I guess I can try just one last time. Hey, look! The sprinkles are actually sticking to the cake! Hooray! I guess I really am Sprinkles Girl, huh? There's no need for me to hang up my cape anymore. So if there's anyone in La La Loopsy World that needs my help, I am there. If you have a sundae or a cake or some macaroni and cheese that needs sprinkles, just call for me. That Sprinkles Girl is a funny character sometimes, huh?